Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how we made this epoxy and cedar end table. But before we jump into the video, we just hit 2,000 subscribers, which that's pretty cool. I honestly didn't think we'd make it this far, but we have, and it's all thanks to you guys for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It helps us out. So thanks again. And let's jump into the video. I'll give you a brief overview of it, but if you want the full details, we have a whole nother video on just making this part. So I want to find the rough center of this. So we'll flip it over here. And actually it looks like I already have a hole there from when I did the other part. So I'm assuming that's going to be close, but let's just verify. Yep, that's good enough for us. For the base of the table here, I think what I'm going to do is repurpose this old, I think it's like a tulip floor light thingy, I don't know what it is. But the switch on it broke years ago and it's just been kind of getting kicked around. So I think we can cut this up and use the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is probably cut it like right about here. Alright, so that should be good. Oh, I forgot I wanted to pull the wiring out of this before I cut it, but oh well. Alright. So then we'll just drag this out, I guess. Don't need that in there. Alright. Cool. That should give us a good start for our base here. Then I want to find the center of this so I can line it up easier on there. And this is 9 across, so 4.5. There. So that should give me my center there. And then we'll just drill this out. Alright, and then we're gonna just screw it to the base, so we'll add a couple of more screw holes here. Alright. Now I do want to come back through here and clean these up a bit. I can't cut them off entirely flat, which is originally what I wanted to do, because this top tube is threaded into the bottom here, and that holds the shelf together. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to live with that. Alright, now with our base trimmed up and cut down, we can line it up on here. Trying to find that center hole. Right about there. And then I gotta mark, so I had two thoughts really. We could either space up the center here, but actually this is sitting pretty flat, so originally what I was thinking is just kind of boring in and drilling for these holes, but it seems good enough. So what I might do is just put a couple of washers underneath here and screw it down, or let's just try screwing it and see where we end up. I think I do want to pre-drill this just to, right, there's my center. Just to keep it from splitting if it wants to. Alright, so then I just have some, what are these? 1/2 inch number 8 sheet metal screws. Take a handful of these guys. Alright. Now we're going to have to clean this up a bit, but let's see how it looks. Granted, this table is not perfectly flat either, but the other nice thing is that this lamp had adjusters, so these things unscrew on the bottom, so we can level it out. But that seems pretty sturdy. Well, that'll do it for this episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and you'll catch us on the next one. Thanks again. Take care.